So let's the review of Descendant OS 5 update on MI1. Some of you are asking me to make a video on how to install CRT 7.3 without getting into boot loop. So I will definitely make a video on it soon and upload it. So let's get to the topic. Let's skip to the about phone. As you can see, the Descendant version is XR 11. The Android version is Android 11 and the security page is of February 5. Now let's see the customizations. In network and internet, you get mobile network. In this, you get mobile data, roaming, etc. Here you get Volt, but the Volt is not working. As you can see, there is no sign of Volt. Then you get Wi-Fi calling. Here you get the option of network traffic monitor. In hotspot and tethering, you get Wi-Fi hotspot. In this you get USB tethering, Bluetooth tethering and Ethernet tethering. Here you get the option of Descendant Health. In this you can see the cases today, death today, total cases and critical cases of the virus. Here you get the option of sleep notification, screen on notification and lock screen well-being. Then in apps notification, you get conversation. Then in notification, a notification history and notification bubbles. Then you get screen time, don't touch my head up notification, reticker, that is replace your notification with a redesigned version of ticker. Then you get default tab, policy manager, wireless emergency alert and special app access. Then in battery, you get battery saver. In this you can schedule it and turn off when charged. Then you get battery manager. Then you get show battery percentage and you get descendant idle manager and last full charge, etc. In display you get brightness control, dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness, screen timeout, etc. And down here you get display size, screensaver. Here you also get option of thumb UI. That is, this toggle will enable the thumb UI, an interface that will suit your usage with one thumb. Then in lock screen you get notification on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show lockdown option. In ambient display and sensor, you get always on display, screen wake for notification, ambient music ticker. Then you get pickup sensor, proximity sensor. And down here you get descendant clock flow. And down here you get option of descendant clock flow theme. Then you get double to sleep on lock screen. Then you get double to wake, device in VR and styles app. In styles app, you can choose the style. In style, you can choose the font, accent color, etc. Then you get clock option. Here you can choose the lock screen clock. Then you get grid and wallpaper. Then in sound, you can choose the normal sound. Here you get vibrate on calling, do not disturb, media. Here you get option of shortcut for prevent drinking. Then you get normal options. And down here, you get option of enable expand button in volume panel. Then you get pause media and resume audio. And you also get option of MI sound enhancer. In this you can choose the headphone type and a preset. Then in storage, you get Descendant storage manager. You can use the Descendant storage manager and the normal storage manager. As you can see, you can use both. In privacy, you get Descendant Guardia. In this you can enable it. Here you get option of use notification instead of toast, whitelist Google apps, whitelist system apps. Then you get enable alerts. In this you get GPS alert, camera alert, microphone alert, phone alert, clipboard read alert, clipboard write alert. It's very good for privacy. Then you get policy manager. Here you can choose a permission for certain apps. Then you get show password, notification lock screen, app content, autofill search Google, Google location history, activity control, etc. Then in location, you can allow location for certain apps. Then security, you get screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. In screen lock and in pattern, you can only choose a 3:3 pattern. You don't get an option for choosing 6:6 pattern and fingerprint working fine. But it has a delay. Okay, I'll show you. See, as you can see, it has a delay of around 1 second, but it's working fine. Then down here in system, you get gestures. In this you get swipe fingerprint for notification. Quickly open the camera, activate torch, that is long press power button for torch, and system navigation. In this you get gesture navigation, 2 button and 3 button navigation, and gesture navigation selected, but it's not working. Let's turn the sensitivity to full and let's see. As you can see, it's not working. And even in 2 button, as you can see, there is no navbar. 3 button, as you can see, only the hardware keys are working fine. Then a prevent ringing, you get prevent ringing options. Then you get 3-finger screenshot. In power menu, you get device control and sensitive content. Then you get option of skip music tracks. These are the customizations of Descendant OS. In recent, you get option of share, clear the selected app, clear all, and screenshot. So you can clear the selected app and clear all. You can clear all out. Now let's see the camera API is enabled or not. As you can see, the camera API is enabled. Let's check the safety net and run test. As you can see, the safety net is passed. Now let's see in Play Store, the device is certified or not. In Play Store and settings. And down here, as you can see, the device is certified. Now let's see the Geekbench score. See, the single core score is 170 and a multi-core score is 989. In this you get stock launcher with customizations like notification dot, add app to home screen, icon pack, allow home notification, swipe to access Google app, and double tap to sleep. In this you don't get any camera. As you can see, there is no default camera. So you have to install the Gcam. And it's working fine. As you can see, you don't get an option for Volt. Now let's see the calls working or not. 198.
Unfortunately, we will be unable to service your call right now. You can contact us on jio.com.
As you can see, the call is working fine. Overall, the room is pretty smooth. The battery of the room is pretty good. I got around 6 hours on time. The room is pretty smooth. I didn't face any major bug. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
Is it for your own good?
What just happened?